Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Quest 2 and disconnecting any charger, safety first. Once done, check the tracking ring closely for hairline cracks, missing screws, or separated seams so you know what to fix. Make sure you have a T5/T6 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and 70% plus isopropyl wipes on hand. These let you open gaps without scratching plastic. Now loosen and remove only the visible screws. Keep them organized so you can access the ring assembly for deeper inspection. You'll work methodically around the ring, gently prying the seam with the spudger a little at a time so clips don't snap. Once open, identify whether the issue is a cracked ring, displaced IR sensor, or loose ribbon. Reseat ribbons into their connectors and tighten screws to factory torque. Don't over-tighten. If plastic is cracked, use a thin patch or replace the segment. Then clean IR windows and contacts with a swab and isopropyl, so tracking sensors can see clearly and function reliably. Put the ring back together in reverse order, making sure every clip and screw is fully seated. Double-check the ribbon orientation so nothing pinches. Once reassembled, power on the headset and run the built-in tracking calibration and Guardian setup. This lets the system relearn sensor positions. If tracking still drifts, make sure firmware is updated, test with another user profile, and try a factory reset as a last software step. If problems persist after these checks, contact Oculus support for hardware replacement guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.